What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be picking the winner of the giveaway, and it is for the Blue Point breaker bar. Like I said in the video, I said pry bar. That was a mistake. So we only had 3 people other than me comment on there. So what we're going to do is use a random number generator from 1 to 3. This would be 1, that's 2, and the bottom one's going to be 3. And the way we're going to do it, like I said, we have a random number generator right here. The min is going to be 1, max is 3, and now we're going to pick the winner. Alright, looks like we got comment 3, and the winner is David Griffin 14. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reply on his comment on the giveaway video, and I'll try to see if I can get his mailing address and all that stuff so I can send it out to him. And I'll probably give him my email address so he can message me and all that stuff too, so we can get it all, because I don't want any of his information online that he doesn't want to share. So we'll do that. And congratulations to David Griffin 14, and I really do appreciate you commenting, and I appreciate you subscribing as well, because it does show that you subscribed about 2 months ago, and I really do appreciate that. But congratulations to you for winning this. And another thing I was going to show everybody before we close out the video is I do have my merchandise shop open now. And in the comment section of this, or in the description rather, I will put the link, which is right here in that. But right now I only have like 2-3 designs. The first design is this right here, is the torque is tight. Then we have my logo with the YouTube logo and my name underneath there. And then we just have the regular logo right here, and just that one right there is just stickers at the moment. If you want anything other than stickers, let me know. But these two right here all have the same 17 products. It's t-shirts for men, women, aprons, little bags, and you can do hoodies for men and women, mugs, sweatshirts. This is a water bottle. These are like unisex baseball tees, coffee cups, masks. Then we have the stickers, and we have the unisex tie-dye shirts. But the prices are on there. Like I said, I will put a link to the page in the description below. And right now, for the remaining 13 days, everybody will get 15% off in the shop. And all you have to do is just hit redeem, and it'll take 15% off of the order. And if y'all have anything else that y'all would like me to put in there that you can get the logos and the stickers and stuff on, just let me know. And once I hit 5,000, I will be doing another giveaway. I'll probably try to give away an Arctic cup, and I can get anything that you want printed on that, if you want like your name or whatever. But once I hit 5,000, I will be doing that giveaway. But I do appreciate all the subscribes, the comments, the likes, and everything, because it does help the channel out. And this is going to conclude this video. And like I said, congratulations to David Griffin again for winning the breaker bar, and I will be getting in touch with you soon. But until next time, y'all have a great day.